Alright, this is a cheap crock clip I bought from China on eBay. These are designed for sort of patch leads and things like that. Rated at 10 amps apparently, though you look at it and you would think it probably won't handle 10 amps, but if they say it handles 10 amps, I'm sure it does. You can get about 10 for 3 or 4 quid, and I bought sort of two lots of them, and they're useful for patching up and connecting up things on transistor radios. Once you've soldered the connections into the crock clip, the problem is they're just crimped, and most of the time they're open circuit, so they're pretty poor quality, but rated at 10 amps, you're not going to complain. So I'm going to just test it to make sure it is actually rated at 10 amps. So we're connected up to this Farnell power supply, which is capable of providing 10 amps continuous, and we can see our 10 amps full scale deflection here. So I'm just going to increase the voltage across this lead and see how we get on with 10 amps. So let's go to 10 amps and just see how the lead copes. And it looks like, oh, there's a little bit of smoke coming. Oh, we're not quite at 10 amps. Let's increase our voltage slightly. Yeah, I don't think that lead is really capable of 10 amps. It seems to be smoking a little bit. Maybe it's a different sort. Maybe it's a Chinese 10 amps. Let's increase the voltage slightly. Yeah, that wire's actually, yeah, it's actually caught fire now. Okay, let's turn it off. So basically, no, they're not rated at 10 amps at all.